people. How is your day? Mine is doing fantastic per usual because I have an unboxing to do. So this is the February 2019 Yes, oh yes. And this is a very controversial subscription. So if you don't know, this is $14.99 a month, and you do pay for shipping. So I know there's things that were going on this month if you don't know. So let's backtrack about my journey with Yes, oh yes. So I used to get this when it first came out. I believe February of last year was the first year that it came out. And it was $12.99, and every month it was going up because they were getting more customers. So it went $12.99 to $13.99 to $14.99, and you do pay for shipping. And it wasn't too, like, I was like, because I was getting so many subscriptions. And so I canceled it, and it started to get really, really good. And so I, again, ordered it, and I like the things that are in the bag. I don't have a problem with what's in here. The problem is they were kind of little, like, raising the prices up a little bit. And then when it got back to them, they had cards with no prices, or they didn't have a card. And last month was pretty good. They actually said the value was about $70, which I think that's great. You're still getting your money back because I believe I pay $18.98 a month with the shipping. So under $20, if you're getting $70 worth of value, I think it's great. But I did see a few videos where Yes, oh yes started a YouTube channel and were taking people's videos without permission, putting it on their channel, and they were getting all the credit for. Now, of course, they didn't take mine because I'm always talking crap on them, so they're not going to take my video and put it over there. But I knew they had a few videos of Abadavs, of She Crafty, and a few other people. So that was that. I know they are canceling. Well, I know She Crafty is canceling because of that. So let's see what's in here and comment down below. What do you think of this subscription? I'm on the fence about canceling, so let me know. All right, let me cut the bag. So I do know what's in here because, like I said, I did watch her video. All right, so it doesn't come in a bag. It just comes with things in there, which that's okay with me. All right, let's see if there's a card. All right, so we have a card. February 2019. It doesn't give prices, but it does say everything should come to $93. So what I think they're doing is they are watching our videos and they are seeing. So I'd rather them put this then raising the price that price is not really that price. So I am not hating on this. I actually prefer that they do that then if everything equals to $93. So that's a step in the right direction, I think. All right, so let's just begin. All right, the first thing is this Emerald palette by Beauty Creations. I believe I have the Emerald too, I think I have. I don't think I have this one. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. It has a lot of greens in it. It does come with a mirror. That's really pretty. Let's do a couple swatches because I've really been into green eyeshadows. So there are some green eyeshadows that I would probably put in a look. Oh, here is a purple swatch that, let's take that off, that from my Ipsy video. Okay, let's dry that hand off. All right, so let's see. Oh, that's pretty. I would definitely do a look in this. They're not pigmented. You would have to build them up. Do you see how that is? This is a little chalky. But that swatches don't mean anything because you can put them on your eye and they will look totally different. I only do swatches to kind of show you the colors, but like I said, don't go by this. I have had so many palettes that I'm like, oh my God, and I put them on and it's absolutely beautiful and you can build them up. Then I had some that swatched really good and I was excited and it's like, what the heck is this? You know what I mean? So there is that. All right, so then we have 3 brushes here. These look like eyeshadow brushes. I'm not going to take these out because I have so many brushes. I will put this in a giveaway. And this is from hashtag, let's see what it says. This is from INMO. So we got, in last month, it was that orange highlighter from them. So we got a crease brush, a concealer brush, and an angled brush. So this is the angled brush right there, if you guys can see. This would be, looks like the concealer brush. I don't know. No, this would be the crease brush right here. And this would be, I think, the concealer brush. I'm not sure. Let's see what it says. Yeah, I was right. So this is the concealer brush. All right, so that'll go in a future giveaway. Another thing that I'm having is I like everything that's in the bag, but I'm always giving this stuff away. So is it worth me spending the money? All right, so we have 3 more things. We have this Bang Beauty, and I see a lot of Bang Beauty in these subscription boxes. So this is a lip crown. I'm not sure if I used any lip crowns from Bang Beauty. So that is the color. I noticed a lot of reds. We're getting a lot of reds. This is like an orangey red, but it's very, very creamy. I like that. I usually like now maybe it's more blue tone red. I'm not sure. But it's really pretty and creamy. I will definitely try that out. I really will. So that is nice. And then we got, it looks like we have 2 eyeliners. So this eyeliner is, what is this? This is a J-Cat Cosmetics Holy Addiction eyeliner in brown. Let's see if I can open this up, because I don't edit my videos. So let's see how long this will take me to open this puppy up. Might take me a minute. Oh, I think I got it right away. Okay, let's see. Oh, come on, Anne. There we go. Okay. So that's what the packaging looks like. Right there. It's upside down. Come on. Okay. So that's what it looks like. It's just like a little pencil. You would have to sharpen this up. Okay. Oh, that's really pretty and creamy. I would put this on my waterline. That is gorgeous. This will go with the eyeshadow palette, so that's exciting. And then we got from Koki Cosmetics. Now, let me tell you something about Koki Cosmetics. They have the best mascara. I love their mascaras. So this is in black, deepest black. I'm not going to open this because I have a lot of black eyeliners, and a lot of times I just put it in my waterline. So I don't want to open it up, but I'll definitely put this in a giveaway. But they have really nice eyeliners, so that is definitely exciting. So let's recap what we got. So we got this Koki Cosmetics. These are like $7.99 or $5.99. You can get these at Walmart. J-Cat Beauty. I'm not sure how much this is, but it's at least a few dollars. We got a couple of brushes here. I haven't seen anybody get like powder brushes or anything, because there was a set you could have got at 3. So these, I don't know how much these are, at least a few dollars. So that's exciting. That will go in a giveaway. This lip crown is really, really pretty. I'm excited to get it. And Bang Beauty could be a little expensive, not too bad. And I'm not sure how much this is, maybe anywhere between $10 and $15 maybe. So this really pays for the box. And I really do like the color scheme. It's definitely up my alley, so I'm definitely excited to get that. So I really like the bag this month. I wish they would keep stuff like this up, the bags, and I'm really excited that they did this without kind of raising the prices to make it look better. I appreciate that. The only thing I don't appreciate is stealing people's videos, and that alone can make me cancel it. I don't know why I'm clapping. So let me know down below, what are your thoughts of this box? Do you like the bag? What do you think? Do you think it's a waste of money? Help me decide. I might get 1 more month, and that will be the deciding factor. But make sure you let me know. I want to know all the tea. It will not hurt my feelings. That's everything, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, because I have a few giveaways going on, and I always have giveaways on this channel. Make sure you ring the bell, because YouTube is not notifying anybody that I am recording, that I'm posting a video. So hopefully you will be notified. Make sure it is on all the time. Click it a few times, and that's everything. Leave a comment, thumbs up this video, because it really does help me out. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.